Z-bar failed. Concrete floor. Roofing nails in the joint. Joint's too close to that flooring. I'll figure it out and keep you posted. Okay, on the Z-bar failure, this is my solution. It was in the joint, you can see it right there. So I drilled it out away from the joint with these aluminum drive nails, that bit. Then I drove roofing nails into the expansion joint to secure the Z-bar in place. Get back to you after it's installed. That's what it looks like after repairing the Z-bar. That expansion joint runs from there all the way through there, right next to that floor. So that's a tough place to put Z-bar. I recommend drilling it and using those aluminum drive nails. Folks, have a good day. Hope this helped.